Examination of witnesses. In reporting the examination of witnesses in questions and answers, the name of each witness should be written in longhand. The name of the examiner be may to be written in shorthand before the first question. If the judge or the other person intervenes with questions during the examination, his name must be written before the first question. It need not be repeated, but care must be taken to write the name of the original examiner when he resumes his questions. Various methods may be employed for dividing questions from answers, and the answers from the succeeding questions. But whatever plan is employed, it should be one which is absolutely distinctive. When a document is put in, write document between large parentheses. Thus, when a document is put in and read, write